Now this is how you can delete WhatsApp messages in bulk on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it fully. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So at first we need to, of course, head over to the WhatsApp app and get inside in here. So the first option is that you want to bulk delete the whole conversations. And if that is the thing, just be inside of the main chats page and click on the three dots in the top left and click on select chats like this, which is going to slide them to the side like this, and you can tap on them, select as many as you want, and you have the ability to either archive, which is going to move them away, or you can clear the chats, which means that it's going to be like emptied and all of that will be deleted. So these are the first options, but when you mean the individual like text bubbles inside of the message thread, you can get inside the individual message like this, and whenever you hold it down on any of the like text bubbles or message media, whatever it is, you can hold down on it like this, and there isn't seemingly any way to select it, which is odd, but there is the button to delete it, right? We are interested in deleting in bulk, but when you click on delete for one of the items, you can see that it doesn't do it instantly, and you still have the ability to select multiple of the messages, right? So if you want to go through it like that, you will have the ability to like select as many chats or as many bubbles as you want and click on the trash icon. You also see how many you have selected in the bottom right corner, and that's how you can proceed and delete the things in a bulk. So I hope that I was able to explain it to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. For more videos like this, subscribe and I'll talk to you then.